Hello friends, welcome back to Mano Cooks. I'm your Mano, and as you all know, I bring some very simple and easy recipe for you to try out in this channel. So before we begin, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to watch my videos as soon as I post them. Let's learn to make restaurant style hot and sour soup. Hot and healthy soup is enjoyed by all during winter season. So today, let's learn to make hot and sour chicken soup recipe. Let's get started. Let's take a deep pan, add 5 cups of water to it. It would be roughly around 1100 ml. Let's turn the heat on medium flame. Now to this, add half-inch ginger pieces, slice them roughly and add it. Next, let's add 4 garlic cloves. You can crush them lightly and add it, followed by 1 medium-sized onion which is roughly chopped. To this, now let's add 10 to 15 peppercorns and a bay leaf. Now let's add our boneless chicken, which I have washed and cut it in big pieces. This is roughly around 250 grams or 0.5 lb. You can also use chicken with bone. In that case, you can take 500 grams of chicken for this quantity. Let's cover this and cook exactly for 20 minutes on medium flame. And if you haven't watched the most loved recipe of Rava Idli or Tawa Masala Idli, please watch it after you finish watching this video. The link is given in the iCard on top right corner of this video, and also you can get it from the description box down below. So now it's 20 minutes and our chicken has been cooking. Let's turn off the flame and open the lid. As you can see, now the chicken is cooked very well. Let's drain the water and separate the chicken pieces. You can discard the cooked onion, garlic and ginger. If you are using chicken with bone, you can discard the bone and reserve the cooked chicken pieces. Now our chicken broth is ready. Keep this aside. Now once chicken pieces cools down a little, let's shred them into small pieces as you see in the video. The chicken pieces are ready. Keep them aside. Now let's heat a pan on medium flame and let's add 1 tablespoon oil to that. Once oil is hot, let's add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Along with this, let's also add 2 tablespoon green onion whites and let's saute everything for quick 30 seconds. Please do not brown or burn them at this stage. After 30 seconds, let's first add 1/4 cup chopped French beans to this, followed by 1/4 cup chopped carrot. Make sure that you chop them very finely. Saute them for 1 minute and let's now add half cup chopped cabbage. Cabbage and carrot are must for this recipe, so please try adding them. And now let's saute cabbage for 30 seconds, after which let's add the chicken broth that we have prepared already. Vegetables in Indo-Chinese recipes should be cooked only for few seconds so that they remain crisp, crunchy and cooked. Now let's mix everything once and let's allow this to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add the shredded chicken and mix it once. Now to this, let's add salt. Remember not to add more salt at this stage, as our sauces would also have salt added to it. Add half teaspoon sugar to this. Please do not miss out on sugar. And next, let's add 2 tablespoon vinegar to this, followed by 1.5 tablespoon soya sauce. I am adding dark soya sauce here. Next to this, let's add 1 tablespoon hot chili sauce and 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. To finish it off, let's add 3/4 teaspoon white pepper powder and 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now let's give everything a mix and let's allow this to come to a boil. In the meantime, let's prepare a corn flour slurry. I have taken 2 tablespoon cornstarch or corn flour and added half cup of water and mix it without any lumps and keep it aside. Next, I am taking an egg here and whisk it very well and keep it aside too. Now you can see that our mixture has come to a boil. In this stage, let's add corn slurry little at a time and keep mixing it with another hand. Once it is mixed well, let's allow this to boil, and once it boils, our soup will thicken a bit, and also corn slurry helps the chicken, veggies and all other ingredients to float on the soup instead of settling down. Finally, to this, let's add the egg mixture and mix it immediately. Once you add egg, you can see that it floats on the soup like a thread. Allow this to boil for 2 minutes and finally add lavish sprinkle of spring onion greens to this. Switch off the flame and serve it piping hot, topped with pepper powder and chili oil if you like to. So did you see how easy it is to prepare this restaurant style hot and sour soup recipe? Chicken soup is very healthy and also it's a great winter special soup. Just follow this recipe and make this very yummy and delicious soup right in your kitchen in just less than 30 minutes. I hope you liked watching this recipe. If yes, please give a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to Mano Cooks and click on the bell icon right now. Thanks a lot for watching and see you all in my next video. Until then, try this recipe and enjoy with family.